Hi, I'm Laura Luckhart, Technical Sales Representative with Lincoln Electric. Today I'm going to demonstrate the effect of lack of shielding gas has on the arc and easy signs to spot so you can resolve the issue. Today I'm going to be welding with the PowerMig 260 MP. I'm going to first do a weld without shielding gas so you can see what that looks like, and then I'll turn back on my shielding gas and do another weld so you can see that and do a comparison. Now that we're done welding, we're going to do a quick comparison of the two different welds. As you would have heard on that first weld with no gas, it was very sputtery. And you can see here on the weld bead, there's lots of spatter and porosity because the shielding gas was not there to protect the molten weld puddle. When we turn this around, the second weld that we did turn on the gas, and you can see it's a nice smooth weld bead and it sounded nice and crisp and consistent, and it looks great. For more information on the different welding processes, contact your local Lincoln Electric sales representative or visit our website at lincolnelectric.com. Happy welding!